Hi, first grade. Good morning. Hope you're all doing well. We're going to start with the pledge, so please let's stand. And we're going to place our right hand over our heart, and we will say the pledge. I invite you to say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, let's get started. So, today, what we will be doing is that we will be going through our morning routine. And today is Wednesday, January 12th, 2022. And that makes today the 82nd day of the school year. So, that has 8 10s and 2 1s. And we will be able to show that later on with our number of the day. So your agenda sentence for Mrs. Schweitzer is bring back your laptop tomorrow. So make sure that you get out your agenda right now and write this out. And if you need to, you can pause the screen. So if you need to pause the screen, do that now. Excellent. All right. And we're going to move on. And the next thing that you should be doing is that I'm going to just quickly review your tasks for today. So one of the tasks is for your number of the day, and the number of the day is 82 days of the school year. So what you'll do is put your name on top of your paper. Then you will show me how many hundreds does it have? Doesn't have any, does it? How many tens? It has 8 tens. How many ones? Yep, it has two. And then you would draw a picture of it. You would show me 8 10 sticks. So you go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and draw 2 circles for 82. Then you're going to write the number in word form. You would say 82. And if you flip your paper in the back, it'll show you how to spell 80, how to spell 2. Then you're going to tell me what the number before 82 is. You'll write that here. The number after, 5 more, 10 less, 10 more. The number 82 is greater than or less than 25. You would circle greater than or less than. The number 82 is greater than or less than 50. You circle either greater than or less than. The 82 is greater than or less than 100. You would circle greater than or less than. And then the number 82 is odd or even. You'll have to figure that out. We have some strategies. And then you have to write a challenge equation. A challenge. 82 plus 0 is not a challenge. 81 plus 1 is not a challenge. So challenge yourself to write an equation. Next, you will also have this sheet that we practiced on Tuesday about adding ed to words in the past. So what you need to do is put your name and number on the top, circle the verbs that tell about the past, and then write those verbs. So two things you have to do for each one. You have to write the verb in the line and you have to circle it. We're looking for verbs that have the ed on the end that tell us that they are in the past. All right. So this will be turned in tomorrow. Next, you also have an ABC order sheet to do. And students do this every week. So they have a strategy. If you don't have scissors or glue at home, they can just write it down. You must be careful because there are more than one letter T word and one letter F word. So you have to go to the second letter. So what we do is that we start at the alphabet at the beginning of A and we look to say, do I have any A's? Nope. B's? No. What about C? No. D? E? Oh, there's F. There's 4 and 5. Now we have to go back to the beginning and look at the second letter and do the same thing for the O's and the I's. We have to find that. And then what we do is we cut and paste them. So we figure it out before we start cutting. We generally write the number where it belongs. And then if you don't have glue and scissors, parents, they can just write it here. Next, we would read the Safe Lodge. So you can be reading that. And if you would like, in my classroom, you can, after you read it 2 times, after you know the story pretty well, then you can record yourself in Class Dojo. So that story looks like, I'm going to escape out of here, and I will show it to you at the end. It is that picture, that paper book. And then this is your task for today. You have to write the agenda sentence, do number of the day 82, complete that verbs with the ed on page 199, complete the ABC order. You need to read lesson 14 journey story, The Big Race, and then